Welcome. This video is all about sleep and melatonin. It is me, Nina, from Natural Living with Nina. And from the survey that you guys filled out with regards to the Art of Graceful Aging workshop that I held, melatonin was the one thing that came at the top of the list that most of you guys are needing to work on. So in this video, I'm going to get into what melatonin is, why it's important, 3 simple tips that you can do. Plus, make sure you watch right to the end, and I'm going to share my favorite practical step that I do every day as well. So if you get a chance, I would absolutely love it if you could like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It'll make the world of difference to me and spreading the word and the news on what this is all about. So let's get straight to it. What is melatonin? So melatonin is a hormone your brain produces in response to darkness. And this is why it has such a big impact on our day-night cycle, our circadian rhythm, what it is that how our body functions during the day and what needs to happen at night. So when our melatonin is low or when there is an imbalance, then it can seriously affect our sleep, our quality of sleep, and the length of our sleep cycle. So if sleep is an issue for you, you'll probably know that melatonin is probably one of the issues that is hindering good restful sleep. So I'm going to give you 3 tips that I'm going to suggest you try and see if that has an impact for you. Everything is free. It is all to do with lifestyle changes and adaptations. So the first one is electronic devices. So whatever electronic device you tend to hang out on at night, be it your TV, your phones, your laptops, as soon as it starts getting dark, you actually want to get off those devices. If you have to be on them, then you want to be using your blue light glass filters to filter out the blue light. So that is a massive one. Get rid of your TV remote, bring out your knitting, your drawing, your crayons, your card games, your board games, and things like that, instead of slouching and in front of the TV at night. It is a very big lifestyle principle practice that we all need to shift if we want to sleep better and improve our levels of melatonin. All right, before I get over on my high horse, the second one that you can do is to take a walk at sunset. So as day changes to night, that change in light, if you're outdoors during that change, your brain is automatically going to think in that, I need to shift and I need to work into or start my melatonin production. Third one is have an earlier, lighter dinner. If you have an earlier, lighter dinner, you're going to feel tired a little earlier, which means you're going to get to sleep a little earlier as well. So those are my 3 tips for you. Personally, I know that these are really simple ideas, lifestyle changes. Where I fall short is often the implementation of those. Over the years, that's definitely been my struggle. And that is why I created the annual membership club of Natural Living with Nina, where we work with simple lifestyle practices that can have a profound impact on your health and where you are wanting to do that, how much time and energy you have for yourself in the day. All right, so my personal practice that I do every single day, nearly every single day, is waking up and seeing the change of light. So instead of seeing from day to night, now I'm waking up in the dark and seeing the change of light to day. Again, it's affecting the day-night. That circadian rhythm is now it's telling your body that it's time to get active, to be alert. And I do that by going for a walk on the farm here. If that's not possible for you, you could always be outside and just sit down with your cup of hot water or lemon water in the morning and just notice the effect of what happens as the light gradually starts to change. So that is one of the practices that I love doing. Please share this video with anyone who you think it might help and benefit. And remember to tune in for next week one, where it's going to be all about the importance of slowing down and how we can do that and why it's important. Sending you so much love from my heart to yours. Namaste.